chord is several notes played together at the same time. The most common type of chord used in the metal is a two-note variety we call a power chord. These are called power chord. Power chord consists of a root note, which names the chord, plus a second note a certain distance above. Our first chord is an E fifth. The root of the chord is the open sixth, the low E. This is the root. The other note is a B. We put your first finger index on the 5th string 2nd fret and push it down. Play it together with the 6th and 5th string, then you have an E fifth. Be careful, don't let sound the other strings. So you stop it with the other. This is E finger. First, pick the 6th and 5th strings separately to make sure each note is sounding. Then sound the chord by picking both strings with a single downstroke. Sounds very good, doesn't it?